Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to stream Nintendo on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Nintendo, go to your Google Chrome and press here nintendo.com. Now you have to minimize it and go to your Zoom app. Now click on New Meeting. Now click on this Share option. Now here you will find your Nintendo. Press on it and click on Share. That's it. So this is how you can stream your Nintendo on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.